Hi, I'm Dr. John Char, a holistic practitioner from Hawaii. We're going to be discussing medical questions people are embarrassed to ask the doctor. Why are men more likely to snore than women? Men's airway passage is narrower than women, and men more likely are to smoke or drink to excess. Women are more prone to snore when they are pregnant. What are ways to reduce snoring? Breathe right through your noseband. Those nosebands can be bought at your local drugstore. They are used by athletes. Reduce stress that are emotional. Eat the right food and relax the face and tongue muscles with exercise.